Breaking news, the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry is heating up as Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya returns to the witness stand. Today facing explosive allegations of corruption, protection payments, and undue influence within the SAPS. This morning we wake up to claims by Amrate that he has proof of money, vehicles, and more paid to Sibiya. Stay with us for up-to-the-minute reporting. Today, Sibiya, the suspended Deputy National Commission, find himself having to defending himself after previous witnesses at the commission. He said he received gifts and money from alleged Impalas in what critics say were protection or favors in return. I have never been close friends with those alleged criminals, and no credible evidence has been presented to prove improper ties. Today on the news, Amrate comes gun blazing after his name was referenced by Sibiya himself in testimony yesterday, with claims that he paid protection fees and he will present documented evidence before the Madlanga Commission. Previous testimony included alleged electronic messages, statements about cash transfers and luxury gifts tied to property purchases and weddings. I have dismissed the authenticity and reliability of these communications, calling them unverified or possibly tampered with. Today, the legal and public focus will be on whether new evidence and these claims from Amrate will be formally entered into the commission record. If verifiable evidence of protection payments surfaces, it could have major implications, both legally for Sibiya and politically. However, no prosecution or conviction has been made, and Sibiya's legal team maintains his testimony will rebut all claims under oath. We'll continue live coverage as the Madlanga Commission unfolds today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications for updates as this story develops. This is Policing Power SA. Now let's listen to the interview of Irman Bate by Newzroom.
Imran, a very good evening to you. Sibiya told us in the commission today that a fraud case was opened against him in 2015, and this was from someone called Imran Bhat, a Pakistani national who had investigated, or rather he had investigated, for alleged human trafficking. Is that you, Imran?
I am the same Imran Bhat.
So are you aware of this case that was opened in 2015?
Yes, definitely. I opened the case against General Sibiya, and he's lying where he's saying he investigated me. It's other way around. It's myself and the DPCI head office. We investigated him, his involvement with the human trafficker and the counterfeit cigarette people. We have all the evidence. And I'm coming to commission very soon.
So maybe just give us a bit more background, Imran. When you say you investigated him, are you an authority of the police? How is it that you were investigating General Sibiya, particularly on these charges of human trafficking as well as counterfeit goods?
So basically what happened, I went with a complaint. And then I was referred to General Sibiya while he was brigadier then in head office. And to attend my complaint, honestly speaking, he never attended, he never did anything, but we stay in touch. When he moved to Gauteng as a provincial head, I'm here. Then we start talking again.
We are losing you, Imran. Maybe if you could just start from the point where you said where he moved as head in Gauteng. If you could take it from there, please, because the line seems to be breaking up a bit.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you clearer now.
So he moved, when he was moved to Gauteng as a provincial head, so we got in touch again, and I went and see him at his office. The man started storing money from me. Believe me, I have all the evidence. Every single payment I made to General, from 1,000 to 100,000 up to a couple of millions, he has extorted from me. I have every single evidence what he took from me. I end up open the case, and that's not the only case. There is a case, attempted murder, kidnapping, and to assassinate me. He was paid by actual kingpin of the human trafficker to take me out. He came to my home while sitting in the car with the bogus police and the Ukaroleni Metro Police to kidnap me. God is my witness. I was survived that night because I called the local police. All the evidence are there. Unfortunately, when the regime changed, the new leadership came in, with the SAPS and the DPCI, everything fall. I have recording of the SPPs begging me and police to not follow these cases. General Sibiya is not the policeman. I am saying on the national TV, he's the biggest criminal and thug in this country. And I'm telling him, I have all the evidence and I'm coming to commission and I will expose him with all the evidence.
So, Imran, you speak about paying anything from 1,000 to millions, you've said, to General Sibiya. What were you paying for?
Protection fees for no reason.
And
every time I go, and because my basically complaint was my life was under threat. So every time I go, he has an issue, he's broke, he wants 1,000 rand, he wants 5,000, he wants 10,000. I thought, man, he's busy assisting me. On the end, I realized he's actually extorting money from me, and when I realized he's busy with the same people which I complain about, they are his friends. And that's where the problem starts. That's where he started going after me. He's saying I'm a human smuggler, human trafficker. I am challenging him. He said he investigated me. He was the head of Hawks. What was the conclusion of the investigation? Why he didn't arrest me? He must bring it on. I am saying on national TV, I'm in the position of evidence where I will present very soon to have him arrested.
If you could just maybe clarify for us, Imran, I mean, you're saying here that you are going to be appearing before the Madlanga Commission.
I identified the commission today. My name is being mentioned, and I must be given the opportunity to come and present what I have. Because the human trafficker allegation is very serious.
It certainly is, Imran. And also in the start of our conversation, you were breaking up a bit. Did you mention the line of work that you are doing that led you to wanting to get protection from General Sibiya?
Not at all. Not at all. I have nothing done wrong. I'm not involved with any illegal activities. I was reporting illegal activities to the right authority. Happened to Sibiya was the head of Hawks in Gauteng province. I thought he's looking into our complaint, not knowing he was extorting money through me to other people and from me. And on the end, when I found out the very same criminal who are involved in these illegal activities are his friends. And they are the one who were paying him. I'm saying that X5, I opened the case. I will bring it proof how he got it. That X5 was pounded with the counterfeit cigarette by his team, and then he took the car. He never bought it. But Indian man from the world. Then someone from Pakistani community who made a statement against the man got killed. I'm in the position of evidence. I have provided to the right people already the statement.
All right. Imran, thank you so much for calling through. These are, of course, not the views of Newzroom Africa. This is a caller who was mentioned by General Sibiya in the testimony today about a case that was opened against him in 2015. Imran alleging some of these activities. Let's bring in our experts with what we've just heard. I mean, let's first take a break, in fact, and just gather some of this information, and we'll be back with more responses from our panelists. Stay with us.